Hello and welcome to this revision exercise on set notation and Venn diagram based on an iGCSE question in which we have a Venn diagram consisting of three sets P, Q, and R. Okay. And we've got the sets P, Q, and R. Okay. Now the Venn diagram shows three sets P, Q, and R. The universal set consists of L, M, N, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So everything in here is a universal set. Okay. And it says use the set notation to complete each statement. Okay. And the first one is what is Y effectively? What is Y in relation to R? Now clearly, this Y is within the set R. So Y is an element in R. So got Y is an element in R as shown here. Next, Q in relation to P. Now, Q is part of P. So set Q is inside set P. So Q is a subset of P, or you can say Q is a proper subset of P. Now, note here that all proper subsets are also subsets, but not all subsets are proper subsets. I think I've done a video on this before. Can you make sure that you can distinguish between proper subsets and subsets? Now, not all subsets are proper subsets, but all proper subsets are subsets. Okay, that makes sense. Next, we got Q intersection R. Now, what elements are common to both set Q and set R? And clearly, there are no elements common to both set Q and set R. So we now got a null set. The answer there. And for 4, P in relation to Q is equal to P. Now, in here, we got Q, and Q is part of P. So if you unite P and Q, you still get P there. So P union Q will give us P. And for the next section, it says list the elements of the following sets, starting with P. And in P, we have all of these in here, starting from T, U, V, W, X. So the elements in P will be these. T, U, V, W, X. Okay, just to check, make sure that's okay. Right. And next it says P intersection Q. Now, what have P and Q in common? What's common to both P and Q? Clearly, that will be T and W. Okay, so in here we should have that T and W are common to both sets P and set Q. And the third one says P union R prime. So we want to find what's in P union R and then ignore those. Okay, we want to find what's in P union R and then ignore those, and then write down what is not in P union R. That's what our prime means. We're trying to find what's not in P union R. Okay, now all of these, all the elements in P and R should come under P union R. And then we got the negation there. We don't want anything in P union R, and the only thing left not in P union R would be L and M. So our answer should be LM. And lastly, Q union R. Now we want to find out what elements are in Q and also in R. So we're going to combine all of these elements here as in NUY and elements in TW as well. So for for Q union R, we should have all of those NTUYW there. Now each of these questions carries 1 mark. So if you get one wrong in each section, you get nothing. Okay? And I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Hopefully see you again sometime.